All right, gang, we're just rolling up to the field this morning. We're gonna get the combine looked over, make sure she's ready to start her day. Got the grain cart full last night, so we're gonna put that on the truck so that when he gets here, he's ready to take off. And hopefully within 30-40 minutes, the dew's gonna be off and it'll be dry enough to shell corn. We're gonna try to get something done today. Let's get after it. First things first, we need to make sure the combine's got oil in it. We're gonna get this all opened up, get our ladder out. Get up here. One thing about combining, a lot of climbing ladders. So, take the oil, we gotta get in here. Oh yeah, she got oil. So we got a peek in the coolant here. She got coolant, she got oil. She's ready to start her day. So now let's go load the truck. It's the easy one. Oh, there she goes. All right, get the old 8230 fired up. Let her warm up a minute. Put her on the truck. I think we're about ready to start her up and see if we can get some corn shelled today. Tell you what, my favorite view in the world. The hopper getting full. Gorgeous. Stunning. Only got about 7 acres left of this field, so we'll have it knocked out in no time. The rows are at about their longest point, unfortunately, so they're just going to get shorter and we're going to be spinning around an awful lot. Make you dizzy. Alright, well, we got the grain cart full just in time. The truck is coming into the field. And I'm gonna go hop in it and load him up so he don't have to wait long. The more time he spends on the road, the less time I gotta spend waiting on him. Load him up.
You had almost 1,100 bushel on that time, so
Don't fill the middle quite so much.
Don't fill the middle quite so much.
Had it a little full. Yeah, you guys can't really see it. Trying to figure out all the good camera angles. Oh, I got it right at the corner post. So everywhere that you see weeds right there should have been corn. And was, but the deer come through when it's like a foot tall and literally just chomp, 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 chomp. They just eat it right off, like lawnmowers. And when there's no corn there, the spray doesn't hold and the weeds come up. So I have to work my way around all of it. We're kind of back here in the neck of the field. Also, nothing but cucumber. Don't love it, but we got to get in there and get what corn we can. So What are you gonna do? All right, guys, last pass on another one. Knocking them out. Can't even see it. Only about 3 rows left. 4. Hard to count that high sometimes. Another field done. This was only a 20-acre one, so it didn't take us too long to knock it out. It averaged just shy of 240 bushel an acre. Really close. 239.87. I'm happy with that. That's pretty good. Let's get moved to the next field. Grandpa's here to help, so I don't have to walk. That's good. She only takes up most of the road. Could definitely meet somebody if I had to. Taking the end rows off this field. We'll get this side off first. Get all 32 rows off of here, so that way the truck driver has room to turn around and we can load him up. We're gonna start knocking this one out. Let's get after it. You can't see it very well because of the dust, but that's the DeKalb number over there where there is nothing. It's because the deer ate it all. They're walking right through these outside 8 rows of Pioneer to get to the 16 rows of DeKalb in the middle. Crazy. Running into sunset. Gonna get the grain cart filled up one last time and call it a day. We're getting close, folks. Well, got her full. They'll haul that one off in the morning. We're gonna call it a day. As always, thank you for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.